Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Saima from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. Today we are going to start our lecture number 1 of Computer Sciences for class 7. Before going forward, here are some instructions for you. Number 1, take out your book. Number 2, hold your pencil in your hand and watch all the lectures very carefully to clear your concepts. This is the title page of your book, and these are the contents of the book. You can see there are 5 units in your book. For the first term, we have to cover first 2 units, Unit 1, Hardware Basics, and Unit 2, Software Basics. So now we are going to start Unit 1, Hardware Basics. In this lecture, we have to cover the following topics of Unit 1, like definition of computer, components of computer, definition of software, and definition of hardware. So let's start. Now come on the page number 2 of your book. In this page, you can see the definition of computer. A computer is an electronic machine which processes raw data input into meaningful information output and store output for later use. Students, you have seen the same definition of computer in 6th class. Here we just revise, like computer is a machine that processes over the input which we enter into the computer. The input is also called data. You know, data can be in the form of text, images, audio, video, etc. So after processing, computer converts this input into meaningful information. That is also called output. Moreover, computer save this output so that we can use it later. Students, you know, a computer works with the help of its component. The components of computer consist of software and hardware. Now here you can see the definition of software. Software is a set of instructions given to the computer to perform a specific task. Software are basically some instructions that are given to the computer so that your computer can perform different tasks for you. There can be different tasks that you want to perform with your computer. Like you may want to type a letter, to draw something on your computer, or you may want to listen music on your computer. So these are different tasks. For these different tasks, there are different softwares available. Like to fulfill this task, to type a letter, there is a Microsoft Word. To fulfill this type of task, to draw something, for drawing, there is Microsoft Paint. And to fulfill this type of task, there is a software that is called Windows Media Player. So here, for different tasks, there are different software. A software is also called a computer program. For example, Microsoft Windows, Microsoft Word, CorelDRAW, device drivers, etc. In these examples, in 6th class, you have studied about Microsoft Windows. In 7th class, inshallah, we will learn about MS Word and device drivers. CorelDRAW is a software that is used to edit graphics or images. Page number 3. In this page, here is the definition of hardware. The physical part of the computer that we can see and touch are known as hardware. These include the input and output devices as well as the system unit. So what are hardware? All the physical parts are called hardware. What are physical parts? The parts that we can see and touch. So all your input devices, output devices, system unit, all the devices inside the system unit are called hardware because all these devices can be seen and touched. Dear students, in the next lecture we will learn more about hardware. Till then, Allah Hafiz and take care. Thanks for watching this video.